Hi, now we are going to just see how to change the active form into a passive form. So here the first sentence is children like chocolate. Okay, so before converting this sentence into passive form, there are few things we have to see. The first thing is we have to see what kind of sentence is this. Okay, so this what kind of sentence is this? Is nothing but a statement. Okay, so the first rule is we have to see the what kind of sentence. That is the first rule. The second rule is we have to see the tense form. That is the second rule. And the third thing is we have to replace the subject in the place of object, object in the place of subject. That is the third step. Object is nothing but the receiver. Okay, so that is the third thing. And then the last step is nothing but we have to change this active form into a passive form. So these are the steps we have to follow before we converting this into the other form. Okay, so let's get into this. So children like chocolate. Here children is a subject and chocolate is a object. So I already told you, the first step is nothing but have to find out the kind of sentence. So what kind of sentence is that? It's nothing but it's a statement. So the next thing, the sentence is in present tense. Okay, so now we have to bring this object in the place of subject. So chocolate. Okay, so chocolate. And then the next thing is after bringing this object in the place of subject, the next thing we have to see is nothing but the subject verb agreement. So here chocolate is a singular. Okay, so children like chocolate. I didn't put S here. Okay, so chocolate is a singular. So chocolate, here the sentence is in present tense. So, and this is a singular. So we have to use is plus, this is V1 form. We have to add V3 form, V3 for passive form. Okay, so that is a formula. So is plus V3. So what is the V3 form for like? Is nothing but liked. So chocolate is liked by the children. So this is how we have to change passive active into passive form. So the next sentence is the hunter killed a tiger. Okay, so I already told you the first step is nothing but we have to find out the kind of sentence. So here too there is a statement. So the next thing is we have to see the tense form. So what is the tense form here? It's nothing but V2 form, that is past tense. Okay, so the next thing is we have to interchange. We have to change the subject into the place of object, object into the place of subject. So here we have to bring that object in the place of subject, a tiger. Okay, and then I already told you, you have to see the subject verb agreement. So here a tiger is nothing but a one tiger. Okay, so a tiger, here what is the tense form is nothing but past tense. So here it's a singular. So was, already told you we have to use V3 form for the passive. If you want to convert this active form into a passive form, we have to add V3 form to the auxiliary verb. So that is a formula to convert active to the passive. So was plus what is the V3 form for killed? It's the same. V2, V3 are same. So a tiger was killed by the hunter. So we have brought that subject in the place of object. So a tiger was killed by the hunter. This is what we have to change. The third sentence is she was writing a story. So already I told you is a statement. The second step, tense form, it's a past continuous, and then here it's a pronoun. So now you bring this object in the place of subject. A story A story was being, cause it's a continuous being. I already told you we have to add V3 form. So what is the V3 form for write? Is nothing but written. So a story was being written by. When this pronoun comes, when it gets replaced, it should be changed as her. So a story was being written by her. This is what we have to change the sentence, active sentence, into a passive form. Thank you.